how to install all Khmer fonts on your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install and download all Khmer fonts on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Microsoft Store. So let me search for Microsoft Store and open it up. After you open up your Microsoft Store, simply search for Khmer fonts. Let me correct the spelling there and hit enter. After you do that, you will see the fonts available right here. Tap on it and open it up. As you can see, the screenshots that all of the fonts are available here. Now all you have to do is tap on get and it should start downloading. And while this downloads, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now, after the download completes, you can easily use the Khmer fonts as much as you want and wherever you want. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.